Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel Nutan Online Study. So today in this video we are basically going to see how to make lesson plan, and our topic for today would be preservation and storage and preservation of food. This is for class 5th. So let's see how to make this lesson plan. Here you can see a previous knowledge. So for previous knowledge what we have to write is what students are already aware of. So students are already aware of, like, little bit they have knowledge about preservation of foods. For general aim we have to write like what we want to teach to students. So we basically want to let them know about preservation, many methods that we can use for preserving our food, specific aim. So for here also what our aims are, objectives are teaching behind teaching this topic. Here you can see introduction. So for that we can, like, I have added 4 question. You can see here 5 question would be maximum. Do not add or do not exceed more than that. Here you can see. So I have added here 5 question. You can see. So yes, this is our question that we have to ask to students, and student will give the answer of our question. So like this we have to ask question to students, and after that we have to announce our topic. We have to say, students, today I'm going to teach you topic preservation of food. Now let's turn the page and let's see presentation part first. So presentation first, we have to explain everything properly for like 5 to 6 minutes in front of students. We have to explain them everything properly, and after that you can see here I have written here few questions that we have to ask to students, like 5 question you can ask to students, and student will answer the questions, all the questions that we will ask to students. And here you can see blackboard work. So like this you have to write on black paper. Skills also you can see teacher explain with help of chart, students are observing chart and chart for teaching aids. Now presentation 2, here you can see. So you can see few of the question. After explaining properly, again we have to repeat the same process. We have to explain, we have to ask question also. Here you can see blackboard work also. So like this we can you can see our presentation part. Now let's turn the page and let's see rest part of presentation 2. So here you can see before purchasing a packed food, what should we check? So we have to like ask this question to students. Student will try to give answer in their own words. So like this, and here you can see blackboard work. Now again skills, teacher shows charts, students observing chart, and for teaching aids we can write chart. And recapitulation, for recapitulation what we have to do is we have to, like, overall we have to ask question. So here I have added 4 question. You can see list of question that we have to ask to students, and these are all the answers that we are expecting from students. Students will give the answer of all this question that we are asking to them. Okay, so like this we have to make a recapitulation or presentation part for our lesson plan. Now let's turn the page, and this would be the last page of our lesson plan. So for application and evaluation we can give fill in the blanks to students. So for fill in the blanks you can see here I have added 5 fill in the blanks. 5 fill in the blanks would be enough, do not exceed more than that. And for here you can see home assignment. So this was our lesson plan for today. So if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. If you want to ask me, if you want me to make any particular lesson plan, then please do comment in the comment section below. We'll meet in next video.